MSTI T358 Smart Lock Setup Tutorial. At this time, the Smart Lock enters the network waiting. At this point, we search in the mobile app store and download the MSTI Smart app. After the download is completed, we open the app. Then use the mobile number, complete the registration and log in. Let's click to enter the app. Permission management that pops up on the interface. Confirm alignment and centering before installing the rear lock. Secure the rear lock with screws. Install the battery. Install the screen. Test whether the lock switch is working correctly, whether it is operating normally. If the door opening direction is incorrect, need to change the door opening direction. Enter 1, 5, 7 the pound key under factory settings. We click Add. Click Finish. The smart lock is now connected. Open the app on your phone to connect Bluetooth directly. The smart lock will be automatically discovered. Click Add. Then click Finish. Now you can control the door lock using your phone. Next, we click on Member Management. We click Add Fingerprint. Press your finger on the fingerprint recognition area 6 times. Added successfully. Now let's set a name for the added fingerprint and check the app notification option. Click Finish. We click Add Password. 设置一个6至10位数的密码，并勾选 App 通知。Click Finish. We click Add Card. Scan the card by bringing it close to the recognition area. Added successfully. We can assign a name to the card. Click Finish. We click Add Face. Follow the system voice prompts to proceed. Added successfully. We can assign a name to the facial recognition. Click Finish. Return to the system interface. Make sure to name the family before adding members. Now you can name your family members. Wake up the screen and tap the star wheel key to enter the system. Enter the admin password and press the wheel key to confirm. Press 1 to enter network settings. The smart lock is now in network connection waiting mode. Let's click on Add Device. We find and select the video log and click on it. Select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password as prompted. Click Next. The phone will automatically generate a QR code. Align the generated QR code with the smart lock camera and keep a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters. When you hear the sound of a tick, you can connect to the network. There are 2 methods to restore the factory settings. The first method is to insert a wire into the small hole and lock it for about 5 seconds. Then press the wheel key to restore factory settings. The second way is to press the star wheel key and enter the administrator password to enter the system. Then press 3 to enter the factory reset option. Press the wheel key to restore the factory settings.